Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I divide up my meal prep into different containers and how I go about the math for that. Because oftentimes I get asked, well, how do I know how to divide it up and how do I know how many calories, for example, are in each container? So I made this chicken protein-y crock pot. So basically what it is, very simple crock pot. There's chicken breast, there's tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, a little bit of half and half, some spices. So that's the chicken mixture. And then once all that chicken was cooked, I made this box of protein pasta, and then I just mixed it all together. So what I did in a food tracking app such as MyFitnessPal, I use Practice Better with my clients, is that I plugged in the entire recipe. So for example, 2 pounds chicken breast, 1 15-ounce canned diced tomatoes, etc. So I plugged in all the exact ingredients, and then I divided it up into 6 servings to see what that would give me per portion. So if I divided this up into 6 containers, what do my numbers look like? And so those numbers were 460 calories, 13 grams of fat, 45 grams of carbohydrates with 9 grams of fiber, and 47 grams of protein. That's if I divide it up into 6 equal containers. So what I did is I actually took the weight of the total mixture. If you use one of these crock pot liners, it's pretty easy, because what I did is I actually took a medium bowl, I put it on the food scale, and then I simply lifted the bag of mixture and threw it on the scale, and that gave me 90 ounces. And then I divided 90 ounces by 6, and that gave me 15. So now what I'm gonna do to divide this into 6 equal containers, I'm gonna put my container on, I'm gonna zero my food scale, and then I'm gonna scoop 15 ounces of this mixture into each container. And that's quite a bit of food, and it's gonna be super filling because we have all the protein. We got 47 grams of protein and 9 grams of fiber just for this mixture. We didn't even have the veggies yet. So I'm gonna weigh out 15 ounces, 14.5. Okay, so that's 15 ounces, and I left some room on this side because now I'm going to add a veggie, of course. So now I have my sheet pan of roasted broccoli, which I roasted at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. This entire big bag of broccoli florets. I added some olive oil, so drizzle some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then I roasted it at 400 for 8 minutes, and then I tossed it around, and then I put it back in for another 8 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add some veggies to the side. When it comes to vegetables, you don't really have to weigh them, but if you want everything to be the exact same, you definitely can. So I'm just gonna see what this looks like when I fill the empty space. Perfect. 2.9 ounces, we'll call that 3, so we'll just add a little guy to make it nice and perfect. So now I have my balanced meal with 47 grams of protein and over 10 grams of fiber, because we have 9 grams of fiber just in this portion of protein pasta because it's made from chickpeas. And then I have my roasted broccoli. Now what I can do is sprinkle a little fresh Parmesan on there. And now I have my meals for the week. So I'm gonna repeat this for the remainder of these containers. And I got my meals ready for the week, so when it gets crazy and I get hungry, all I need to do is reheat this perfectly portioned meal prep. I hope this was helpful. Let me know.